In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ThingLink. With ThingLink, you can take an image and tag it with all sorts of different information. You can tag it with text, you can tag it with links to other websites, you can even tag it with YouTube videos. So here I've pulled up one of the ThingLinks that I have created, and you can see that there's some hotspots over the image. And when I move my cursor over those hotspots, for example, this tells me that this is the heatsink. Here's the processor. And on this one, I actually have a YouTube video that is attached to this image. So students can come in here and play the YouTube video and learn about RAM. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own ThingLink. So I've already gone ahead and logged into my ThingLink account, and when you're creating your account, make sure you create it on the teacher side or the education account, because it gives you some additional features that you won't have if you just create it on the regular ThingLink account. And you'll know if you're signed in as a teacher because up here it'll say ThingLink Teacher. So we're going to go ahead and click Create. And you have some different options for the image you want to start with. You can upload it from your hard drive, which means if you have an image that you've taken with a camera or that you already have found off the internet and you have saved to your hard drive, you can use that. You can import your Facebook photos, you can import Flickr images, and you can also use every image that's on the internet also has an available URL or address associated with that image. So you can just link to that particular image. Now, I don't often recommend using this one because things on the internet change all of the time. So if you want your image to be sure that your image is going to be available, I would save it to your computer or to the network and then upload it through Upload Hard Drive. So we're going to go ahead and choose our images, and you'll locate the image available in your H drive. And I'll be working with a map of Nebraska today, so that is the image that I have actually uploaded. The first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to give it a title. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and start tagging your image. And to do that, all you have to do is click the image where you want to add a tag. And so let's start by adding a tag for the capital of Nebraska, which is Lincoln. So we'll come over to Lincoln and we'll click there. And now you'll see you have some different options here when the edit tag comes up. You can go ahead and put in the link to a website, or you can simply just add text, and you also can change the icon. So here right now it's just a little black circle, which is kind of hard to see. So if you click the icon, you'll see that you have some different choices of images to use for the tag itself. I think that for mine, I will use the normal one. That kind of stands out a little bit better than that black circle that I had to begin with. And I have already found a Wikipedia entry on the Nebraska state capitol. So I'm going to go to that, and I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to paste that in here. And you can see Wikipedia gives you a nice little abbreviation of what the page is going to look like in the tag. You can also add some additional text down here if you want to. So we'll go ahead and click Save Tag. And we can see that that tag has now been added to our image. Now another option you have is using ThingLink's built-in search for adding content to your image. And so I'm going to try that here. So up in the upper left-hand corner where it says search for content, I'm going to try and find a video of a sandhills crane. So I'm going to type in sandhills crane, and we'll see what we come up with. And you can see we have several videos, both from YouTube and Vimeo. You also can get information from Etsy, SoundCloud, Amazon, and I think that's it for their built-in search. So I am going to go ahead and use this Sandhills migration in Nebraska video. So I'll click on that to add that, and then that puts it on your image. Again, here it's filled in your editing tag already, and maybe I want to change the icon so that they know it's a video to play, to press the play button. And I'm going to also reposition that to where the Sandhills crane migration normally takes place, which is kind of between Grand Island and Kearney. And then we'll go ahead and save that tag when we've got that positioned where we want. So you can use the built-in search feature, but you can also just go to YouTube and find a video, which I've done in this example over here. So I found a video on Chimney Rock, and I'm going to add this to my ThingLink as well. So I'm going to go down to Share, and I'm going to copy this address, and I'm going to come back to my image. And I'm going to find the approximate place on my map here where Chimney Rock is located, and I'm going to go ahead and click there. And since this is going to be a link to a video, I'm going to go ahead and use that icon, and then I'm just going to paste in the YouTube address right there, and you'll see that the video goes ahead and populates immediately. And if I wanted to add some text down here, I could do that, and that will add that beneath the video. So I'll go ahead and save that. Another place that you might learn about Nebraska history is Nebraska City, home of the Arbor Lodge. So we'll go ahead and add a tag for that. And this is not going to be a video. This time it's just going to be a regular tag. And I have a website here that talks about J. Sterling Morton. And so I'm going to go ahead and copy that and paste that link in. And I'm going to add some text. And we'll go ahead and save that tag. Now your tags don't have to be videos or links. They can just be actual text if you wanted it to. So we'll go ahead and add some text to Kearney. And we'll click where Kearney is located on our map. And this time we'll put in some text here. And since this isn't going to a website, I maybe want to change the link option. Again, you have a variety to choose from. I'll maybe choose this red one here so that they know that that's just text. So we'll go ahead and save that. And when you're done, you can edit the share settings. Right now it's public, so maybe if I'm working on it, I want to make it unlisted, or if you're working with young students, you might want to make it unlisted. You also have the option of allowing anyone to edit this. So if you're doing this as a class project, this might be a great example for a class project. Maybe each student has a different location in the state of Nebraska that they have to add to the map. By allowing anyone to edit, then everybody would be able to come in here and edit this map. So we'll go ahead and close that. And we'll save this. And once you've got it saved, then that's where you can actually see your work. So you can hover over the different options. And if you wanted to view that website, you could click on it, and it will open that up in a new tab. The videos will play right within the ThingLink itself, so they don't even have to go to YouTube to watch the video. And you have a lot of different options that you can do with this. You can come back in and edit it, and you can also share it in a variety of different methods from Facebook and Twitter, and you can pin it to Pinterest. You can also embed it onto your own blog or website, which is a great option for sharing these with your class. So that's a quick intro to ThingLink, the computer version. There's also a ThingLink app, which works just a little bit differently, but most of the options should be the same for you.